Hello everyone, my name is Ambijang Pandey. I am going to describe about what we have achieved and what roles I have performed in our project. First, I am going to talk about the project that we are continuing, and the name of the project is the Project Brief for Staffing Solutions. We have four members in our project. The name of my team members are myself as Amrit. Other team members are Pramit, Rayas, and Robin. So in our project, Pramit is the team leader. So this project is about the experienced staff for working in various areas such as in the sector of hospitality for different offices, event venues, buildings, shopping centers, and many other areas. The web panel is required to be developed in a user-friendly manner so that the organization and customers can have a simple and effective experience on management and tracking of job. Keeping this in mind, we have documented our user stories in the product roadmap, um, and that is helpful for successfully executing the selected user storage in the given duration. The aim of this project is to develop a website application for our client, specialized staffing solutions, private limited, so that the client could efficiently manage and track the job. Thus, we have prioritized the managing user for our first sprint that is already gone. The website will allow the manager to log in and perform various other tasks, such as creating the employee and customer registration page in the website and updating information if necessary. Also, it is the manager who is responsible for managing the job schedule for employee and customer. The roles that I have performed during this project were the checking of whether the manager can access all the relevant data, which took about the half of the day. And another role that I had performed includes the validating of whether the manager is logged out of the system and redirected to homepage safety, which took about the span of half day. Similarly, I have accomplished the experience of working by coordinating with the team members from this sprint one of the project. Similarly, I have worked according to the requirement of the sprint uh, and according to the project. I have also applied stream specific knowledge to this project with the help of the other team members, clients, and the supervisors. Also, I have experienced the knowledge on the interface designing and the database designing. Furthermore, I am able to achieve various ideas from this sprint, such as the gaining of experience to work in real-time project, and this sprint has increased my knowledge on back-end programming. As all the project work is going well in our group, we will definitely try to achieve more specific findings in the future by getting the knowledge that we have accomplished from this project. Similarly, other roles that I had performed during this project were also there, and I also performed in the sprint 2 and sprint 3. And in the sprint 3, there were the specific points that we had focused. The main points were that the managerial features of the website. We have selected the features focusing on the customers and the employees. There we had selected additional 15 user stories mentioned in the project roadmap. The target of the first sprint to successfully execute the selected user stories in the given duration was also met. We have intended to upgrade the managerial section with the addition of new features and develop our website to be functional for our front-end users. Upon successful completion of the sprint 2, The manager can get a variety of functions based on creation and management of the job, viewing profile details, and activation or deactivation of employee and customer account. Additionally, employee and customer can get the feature of placing and receiving job order, giving remarks, and cancelling the bookings. There were several user stories performed during the second sprint, such as a manager, I want to job allocation page so that I can assign work to staff. As a manager, I want to create new jobs so that I can add details from the job order. As a manager, I want customer database access to check booking date, place and time so that customers can have information about these criteria automatically. As a manager, I want to be notified if a new employee or customer is registered so that I can allocate their respective task. As a manager, I want to see the profile detail of the employee so that I can allocate the job best fitting for them. Specific knowledge of stream was also achieved during the sprint 2, such as coordinating with the team, usability testing, functional testing, and the database testing were the things that were achieved. Similarly, the things that were learned by me during the completion of our project and the sprint 2 was that the I experienced to work by coordinating with the team members. I was able to work according to the requirement of the sprint. I was also able to present the project's process to the client so that I could experience on interface designing, database designing, and similarly working in the real-time project. And this sprint, which is sprint 2, had also increased my knowledge on the back-end programming. The individual accomplishment that I had achieved from the sprint 2 are the validation of dashboard function and correctness of job is done, which took about 1 day. Validation if the jobs are correctly allocated to the desired employees. Validation of the correctness of details for the employee was also performed. Validation if the added details were successfully added or not. Validating that the employee deactivated does not have further access. Validating that the customer deactivated does not have further access to the website. Validating that the details are correctly updated on the website. Validating if the milestone is successfully created as of employee requirement. What could have gone better during the sprint 2 was that UI design research for innovative features in website could have been better. Similarly, after the completion of sprint 1 and sprint 2, we had gone for the sprint 3, and for our third sprint, we had decided to finalize along with addressing the client's requirement. For this sprint, we have selected additional 14 user stories mentioned in the project roadmap. The target of the third sprint is to successfully execute the selected user stories and finalize the project within the given duration. Upon successful completion of this sprint, the successfully finished product that satisfies both client and sprint's requirement would be obtained. The theme of the third sprint was that the theme of the second sprint is to finalize the product. In the second sprint, we had focused improving the developed in the first sprint. Hence, in the third sprint, we have focused on finalizing all sprints requirement and make the product ready to be delivered to the client. While designing and implementing the tasks, we will keep in mind what the final dashboard should look like: task allocation, job cards, traffic light system, invoice notification system, etc. We want to capture most of the needs and demands of the manager, employee, and customer for our client. For this sprint, our primary aim is to finalize all user stories of the project, which is to build a website that can provide a complete fulfilled management and tracking of the jobs. Because of the completion of the three sprints, all the jobs will be done by providing easy tracking and allocation of the jobs for the manager. Along with this, the customers and employee can get their features for posting and cancelling job orders along with the feature of giving feedback to each other will be achieved after the completion of the sprint 3. This sprint has led to the development of interactive website with the multiple features as discussed in the product backlog. The roles that I had performed during the sprint, during the completion of the 3 sprint, were that the validation if the jobs are correctly cancelled or not, validating of the correctness of sending notifications, validating if the updated details are successfully added or not, validating that the employee works are successfully updated or not. Specific knowledge that I have achieved from these sprints and the project are that coordinating with the team members, usability testing, functional testing, and the database testing. Things that I have learned uh, from the sprint 1, 2, and 3 and the completion of the project where that the experiencing to work by coordinating with the team members, working according to the sprint requirement, presenting projects process to the client, experiencing on testing of a functionality, experiencing to work in real-time project, increased knowledge, test cases and use cases were also achieved. The things that could have gone better during our project were that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we mostly discussed the project through the online platform. Therefore, the management and operation of project would have been much improved if we had done this project with face-to-face discussion. So these are the things that I have achieved and I have performed the different kinds of roles which I have mentioned in this video in the above conversation. So I would like to end my video. Thank you.